machine tool industry urgently needs to improve machining precision, efficiency, and reduce costs to meet global competitive environment. Torque motor rotary table has the characteristics of high speed, high torque, and zero backlash, significantly improving processing precision and reliability. i4.0 series provide real-time remote monitoring of machine conditions to avoid unexpected shutdowns, optimize machine maintenance cycles, and achieve energy savings and environmental protection, becoming your best partner to achieve a green and smart factory. CNC bevel gear grinding machine tool combines with Highwind Group's torque motor rotary table and Matrix intelligent grinding software, and a visualized HMI to improve operator processing efficiency and further enhance global competitiveness.